Hey, let me show you a few camera tips and tricks for your Realme 11 5G. So first of all, when you open the camera, you can find the 108 megapixel mode, and this mode allows us to get more details on the photos. So now when I click on the switcher and capture the focus, now we have to keep our device steady, and when I open this photo, I can find definitely more details than using the normal mode. Also, I'm able to zoom in really close. And for example, if I want to crop something, it will be definitely easier to do this with this 108 megapixel mode. Now I'm going to show you how you can use zoom feature. So normally you can zoom in or zoom out by pinching screen or clicking on the preset. But you can also click and hold on this current preset and use this circle to zoom in and zoom out by moving it to the left or to the right side. And also when you do this, you will unlock the additional presets, the 5 and the 10x. Also, you are able to zoom in and zoom out by using the volume buttons. So you'll have to click on this three lines in the right upper corner and open the settings. Now from here, you will have to go into the volume button action, click on the zoom, and now when you click and hold on the volume up button, you can smoothly zoom in, and clicking volume down button, you can smoothly zoom out. Next, we are going into the settings. So click on the three lines and open the settings. And from here, you can find the shotting methods, and we got two additional shotting methods. The tap to capture and the show the palm of your hand. So the first one looks like this, that you will have to click on the screen and your phone will automatically adjust the brightness, exposure, the focus, and it will take the photo. And the second method is to turn on the selfie camera. Now you can show the palm of your hand, and when it's detected, you will get the 3 seconds camera delay, and after this, the photo will be also taken. When you click on this icon, when you are in the photo mode, you can enable the filters. So as you can see, it's changing the color and the temperature on the photos. And you can simply take photos with this one. And if you want to get back the original look, you will have to select the first option. Now from here, we can also go into the more modes where we can find, for example, the camera pro mode. And in this mode, we can actually adjust a very parameter almost manually. So when you click on this information icon, you can find the small description of a very parameter. And now if you want to adjust, for example, the exposure compensation, you can move it to the left or to the right side. Also, you can find the focus range, the white balance, shutter speed, and ISO level. Next, from here, we've got the photo format. You can switch by tapping right here. And that's basically it. That's my favorite tips and tricks for the camera on the Realme 11 5G. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.